Assalamualaikum everyone. Here is our presentation on our microprocessor mini project. For this project, we have programmed an Arduino board using 80 Mega to 328P programming to showcase the digital output and input of the board. The experiment that we have been tasked to do is Blink. Here in this slide, we will show you the assembly programming that we have written and also the hardware demo for this prototype. Here is a segment of the video showcasing the assembly program that have been written.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am FIKRI. For my part, I will explain the coding that we use for our project. So as you heard from the previous group members, they did demonstrate our project. So our project is basically to on the LED by control it based on the state of button. So this is coding that we use for our project. This coding have two main loop, which is check press loop and check release loop. So firstly, we define the constant for register address, which is the port B register, the input register D, and the last one is the data direction register B. So we after that we set the origin address to the 0x000, which is we call to jump to the main. So this main, we set the pin 12 as output, and we initialize the register R20 to 0. So this check press loop, which is we check if the button is pressed. So the button will be connect to the pin 2. So if not pressed, we continuously loop to the check press loop. So if it is pressed, we go to toggle LED. So the next one is check press loop. It's the same one, but it's the opposite one. So it will check if the button is released. So if the button is not released, we'll continue checking, or it will continuous loop. And if it is released, we go to the check press loop. So this is toggle LED. Firstly, you will test R20, the state of R20. So if the R20 is not equal to 0, it will go to the off pins. So if it is 0, it will go to the next one. Is port B. If not set, you go to the set pin 12. This is set pin 12. If before it's set, we go to the all on, which is it will turn on the LED. So is in this all on, all underscore on, we let immediate R20 equals to 1, and we'll go back to check release loop. So after that, we have off pins, which is a turn off LED. This basically we check the port B. So if PP4 is clear, we go to off pin 12. If not, you go to all off. If So this all off is set 20 to 0 to indicate LDR all off. So we initialize the immediate the R20 equal to 0. So we go back to check release loop to go to back checking for the button release. So this is set pin 12. It will set the output of a port PB4 to turn on LED, which is connected to LED. And after that, we will go to release loop. We will call looping to release loop. So this is off pin 12. You clear PB4 to turn off LED. So this is the clear the port B4. Sorry, and we go jump back a relative jump to all off, which is this, and then we go to check release. So I think that's all for the explanation of according to how it flow and how it works in our project. Thank you.